We're back at it again with another video, SO Squad. We're going to redo the suspension in the front, redo the steering knuckles, put new wheel bearings, hubs, and eventually do the pads and the rotors because them shits look gross. And we're painting the caliper, as you guys can see. I did one side already. I didn't know what I was doing. I wanted to make sure I was going to do it right. I did a pretty good damn job. You guys can look at the little shorts. We already kind of put it on there. And we'll be putting new axles too. And a few other stuff, but we'll get to the other stuff later. For now, steering knuckles, wheel bearing, hub. Let's get to it. That should be good. Bam! Car's jacked up and ready to get torn apart. About to take the wheel off now. Wait. There we go. It's working. Come on. Buddy. Come on. Oh, I hate this.
A few moments later.
Another wheel lock. Off in a jiffy. Just like this, she's off. Alright, we got the wheel off, and now we're going to start tearing the whole front end apart. And the whole process and how I did it, or how I wanted to do it. Come along with the journey of getting it all done. And if you have any questions and you're wondering how to do it yourself, I'll be doing it, so you'll be able to find out how to do it yourself. It's not hard. I was able to do it. I'm pretty sure you can do it. Let's get into it. Since we already did it on this side, you guys can see how it kind of turned out. I'm going to try to perfect it even more on that side than I did with this side. This side, I kind of just did it. That side, I'm going to be more, a little bit more detailed with it. But yeah, check our shorts, Instagram. You'll see a little pictures, videos of how it looks on this side. All right. Starting off, we're going to, or at least what I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect the brake line from the actual steering knuckle. And then we'll end up taking the caliper off completely and catch all the fluid. If there is fluid, you don't want to mess. And then we're going to have to struggle a little bit to get this axle nut out, because I struggled like no tomorrow taking the one on the other side out. So just watch me go through the process. That's all I'm going to say. We use a 10 mil, 2 little screws, get them out. It's no problem. 10 mil right here, bracket, steering knuckle. Get that out. Don't need a 10 mil no more. You're gonna need, I don't think it's a, yeah, no, the 12 on this caliper. Let's take that out. That's a lot of grease. That don't look good. Oh, what is it? Right there. Take that bad boy out. Yeah. Long screw. Put that to the side. Now from there, just lift it like that. Just slide that bad boy out. I just let it hang. No problem letting it hang. It's kind of no stress on it. It's just hanging. Hang 10, you heard? Then to get the bracket out, damn, the 17 mil. Let me go get that. Like that. We're gonna need 17. There we go. I need a ratchet too. Oh wait, no we don't. It's right here. This should work enough.
A few inches later.
There you go. So it's 2/17 in the back. If you don't know how to do brakes, just take those two off, bro. Oh, there you go. Last one. Smack it a few times, just like how the cameraman smacked the side of my head.
So that was a lie.
Take that off. Back to the electric gun. Make it quicker. Another one. Boom. Pads are out. Put the bracket. And after that, that's stuck on there. We need to get it the ham. All right. You guys can see there's nothing on that, no caliper. But if you're gonna end up reusing your rotors, you're not gonna want to hit the face of the rotor. It causes problems later on. Hit the inside here. You can either break it loose, go like that. Just tapping the side of it. Look, loose. Came right off. Might help, might not help, but I'd say lubricate it with some WD-40 or something. Lubricate it, get some lube in there. You want to typically let it sit for a little bit, and then you want to either, if you have an air gun, electric gun, impact, try and crack it loose, cracks loose, then you got a good day going on for you. But if it's not, get prepared. Well, I just chipped it apart. That works too. Damn it, I don't got the actual socket for it. Back to the trunk of the car for the 20th, 30th freaking time. Oh, I'm a dumbass. Over there. Take that off. That's working. How much charge are we looking at? Oh, full bars. Hopefully this works. It didn't work. I have to double check. This isn't going to be fun. I have a bad back.
I broke my back.
What do you mean by that?
My back is broken.
What, a vertebrae or what portion?
Spinal.
All right, so back to sitting the fuck down because I'm old. What I did last time was I got this welding. I'm gonna read it. Electric start propane torch and obviously little bottle. You can either use the actual blue or the yellow one. This is actual propane. You can use either one. I really didn't care, so I just used this. But you gotta torch it, get that thing really hot, and then grab the impact and zap it off. But it's gonna be a long process. I'm gonna just do it. He's gonna do his thing while I sit here and I do this stuff. I was gonna take the nut off the axle came into troubles. Can't get that nut out. It's stuck on there. The propane isn't getting it hot enough, so I'm gonna have to get the actual one I need so it can get hot enough. Fully charge that battery because that battery's halfway dead. Once it's halfway dead, this gun sucks. I want to get the Milwaukee one, but I'm gonna have to fully charge that. Be back at it, and we'll be back with that part. But for now, I want to clean up the caliper because I'm gonna end up spraying that caliper red, so it obviously matches the other side. It looks so good. But I use this little clamping tool to clamp the brake hose. Like that, you don't end up making a mess everywhere. And just in case, put a pan underneath so like that it catches it. You don't want the stains on the ground. But put that here. You want to clamp it. There's a little piece. Pull that back all the way to the end. Squeezes it tight. Then this one's a 14. Got the 14 on there. And you want to just loosen that right off. There you go. Don't lose that because they're going to want to need that and put that back on. Just two of them. And then I kind of just set that upside down. Let all the fluid come out of it. Just because.
No. Oh, no.
That's just leaking still. I don't know what's still. Oh. It's not good enough. Come on. There you go. The dripping should slow down. Slow down. Stop that. Stop the leak. I don't like it. Oh. Hammer. My ankle was hurting like crazy. But I want to grab that. Ooh, there's only one on there. Where's the other one? The other one is. Welcome back, guys. I know it's kind of a little different scenery. Was not expecting the snow 2 days later, but I cleaned the car up. Got a couple clips of cleaning the car and cleaning around the car. I still got to get the knuckle out. So last time couldn't get it off. The propane tank I was using on the torch wasn't getting it hot enough, and now we got the map gas. The map gas should get it hot enough so like that it can at least break it free, that axle nut. Then we could hit that shit with the gun. I charged the gun all the way to the electric impact gun, so we should be able to get that thing out now. Let's try and do it. All right, and now we got the right gas, the Met gas. Let's do this. Oh, and by the way, ain't no snow gonna stop me. Fuego! So I tried. I guess the snow is stopping me. It's upsetting. But there's other ways around it. What I'm going to end up doing is, so like that, even if this works for me, it works for me. Maybe if y'all stuck, y'all can do the same. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to take the crown nut off the top control arm. the tie rod and on the lower control arm and knock them loose, take it all out, take the axle out from the trans, take it out, and once you take it out, disconnect the fork off the control arm, slide the axle out, take the whole setup out all together, and then after you take out the whole setup, either take it to get an actual big ass massive torch and torch it the fuck off and get it to like really cherry melting point hot, and then crack it off with an air gun or the electric impact, either or, and get that thing out. I'm gonna end up just doing that, and if it works, it works, and I can get to the other steps. But you catch me when you go taking that shit apart. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get the axle out. But before I do that, I think I might release that lower control arm. So let me 2/17. And there we go. She's out. Ooh. Now, just so you know, and because my brother behind the camera was trying to help me out while I was laying on the fucking snow and shit, but he didn't know what to do, so I had to do it. So all you gotta do is literally, the top of the steering knuckle is gonna be stuck behind the fender and the liner. Now, once you take out the bolt that goes through the fork into the control arm, you could just push this down as far as you want, you feel me? Just so hold the knuckle, push the knuckle, the whole thing down. Once you push it down far enough, you could bend it back, lift it up like this, and from there you can lift it up like that. And then you're gonna wanna push down here a little bit, pull this back, and you'll fucking snake the middle of the axle through the side. Snake it through the side, it'll come right out. Just like that. So, she's out. What we're gonna end up doing, we're gonna stop right here for today. And on Sunday, we go, which is 2 days from now, I'm gonna take me and my brother are gonna go to the shop. And while it's dead, we'll just tear the whole thing apart. We'll torch it and get everything off at the shop. It'll be easier there than doing it here. Plus, we cold, my clothes is wet. I'm done for today. So, we'll see you then. All right, guys, we're back. Like I said before, it's Sunday on the last clip, to be specific. But we're here at my job. We're gonna torch it and get that thing nice and hot, and then zap it off with the air gun, and hopefully the axle nut should come out. So we're gonna get to it. We're running short on time, but we're gonna get it done. Let's go. Let there be fire. And if y'all don't know how to use a torch, that's too much. You want just a little bit of kind of like black smoke coming off of it. Go a little past that. And then from there you should be set. Open it. Boom. Just a little. And so y'all know, this is the homie TK.
There he is! There's my favorite white boy!
TK, the people.
People?
Oh, shit. Oops, I shouldn't have said that.
Bruh.
You gonna turn on? Or nah?
One eternity later.
Oh, you turned it off.
I got you, homie.
Let there be power. See, telling you, bro. Fuego, that's all you need is a lot of fuego, and that thing will come out. Cause I got a homie who instead of replacing instead of
that you could do.
he ended up and taking it out and doing the whole struggle and everything. He just replaced the whole thing. Why you gonna do that? You gonna spend all that extra breath for a new steering up and all that? Nah, bro. Just torch it. It's the best thing you can do. And then, after that, we're gonna grab our handy dandy hammer. I'd watch your feet if I was you.
Police! Police! Help! Police! Help! Police! Help! Help! Police! Help!
I saw that coming. Get this. And she's out. Done deal. That's what I'm talking about. And now we can actually turn these off since we're not using it no more. We was going the wrong way. We was opening it. I'm closing it now. Now you turn it off. Make sure you always turn it off. Don't turn it off for the person using it while they're using it. We're gonna get that hub out. And I'm gonna show you how I did it. We're gonna take this bad boy with us over there. Let's go. Hold on. I need give me a second. Get two of these. At least how I did the other one. Put them like that. Grab this. Twist this shit up. Just like that. Put that to it. Get it in that right spot. So what you want to do? Don't have that on my face though like that. Real zoomed in too. All right, so you want to have it set up, have it caught on both sides. Then you're gonna grab a socket and put that socket right here, right where the hub is, where it goes into the wheel bearing. Put a socket that goes right around that. And once you get a socket that can do that, we're gonna find one. Just give me a second. You see? You looking there, yo? Halfway. See? They down me for what? for no reason. And like that, comes right out. No problem. You were saying, baby? It won't come out? You said what now? Huh? Where's your shit talking now? What happened, sweetheart? All you can do is laugh?
I still see bearing inside there. What the fuck was that?
Who said we was getting the bearing out? The hub.
Oh, you was just doing the hub?
Yeah.
Wire.
Clip, per se, that holds in the wheel bearing. It was a hassle to get the other one out. So I'm gonna just clean it up a little bit, just like that. It's easier for me, and just because I'm just like weird like that. But I'm gonna clean it a little bit, and then from there, we'll try and take the wheel bearing out. Typically I have this tool, or I have the hand one to take that wheel bearing out, but I'm gonna get the homie TK, and we're just gonna press it out just to save time. Next time I have to do one, I use the kit. This time, nah. Oh, and by the way, whenever you use a wire wheel like I am, wear safety glasses. I'm just hard-headed and I don't listen, so I do what I want. But wear safety glasses. Let's see if we can get this out. Handy dandy toolbox right here. I grease on my finger from that tie rod. And I'm gonna take this off. It's gotta come off. If I don't have it on the other one, we're not gonna have it on this one. I'm gonna just put it on there. This shit not tight enough. It's on there tight now. Set in the holes. Hopefully it don't break. That can happen. As I say, hopefully it don't break. Damn. And that's why you don't buy AutoZone tools. That's why. This is the only second time I use this. Second time. I'm irritated. Damn. Ain't that some shit? Now I gotta buy a new one. I only use this shit once. Second time I tried using it, it broke. It broke. Let's see if Tyler has one. See if TK got one. I'll be back. As y'all just seen, I snapped the dang tool. The locking pliers. No, locking pliers. No. Lock it. I forgot what them things is called. But I also forgot I was supposed to torch that ring so it comes off. That's what I did last time. Forgot I had to do that. Kind of rushing. Think that I could try and get it all done tonight. Can't do that. So we'll get a new set of tools so that I can get that ring out. And we'll see you when we got the new tool. I forgot to mention, it's only part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. It should be out shortly. and you thought I was gone, listen, just have to make sure and let you know. Give it a like, a comment, subscribe, follow our Instagram for all the little sneak peeks and of everything I'm doing to the car a little early before the actual video come out. And you already know. Stay active and enjoy being a car head, man.